Mark for future bilingual kindergarten and primary school music and technology major. In today's After English 2 class, we use smart sticks to build various objects including a car, a drone and a robot. The students' imagination was fantastic as they created these models. This activity enhanced their executive functions of creativity and spatial reasoning.
One at a time. Pick one first. Hey, right, you press here and here. Ah.
It's a box. Wait, no one. You have to do it in the entire.
Well, maybe it's too hard for you.
You have to do it by this time. I know.
You don't want to give that back to you. I lost it. No, the one I just did.
I don't.
Oh, what is it? Like a digger. Crane. Yeah, can lift up.
How we have to do something to it.
So this one? I don't know.
That is and boom.
I don't know. Make what you want. Oh. Good job.
This is it.
Yeah.
What is,
Wow.
what is this?
I don't know. You tell me. What is it?
Well, copter drone.
Drone.
Copter drone.
Copter drone.
It's so funny.
Yeah.